I'm just gonna do a recap on US 30 right now. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go back the whole month, okay? All right, when you see these green, that means that like it's buying right now. See that's buying right now. You see these green, that means buy. 279 pips there, came back down. Pink means sell. 204 there, came back, and then another 288 or 228 there. So that's the day for today. That's the 25th. Let's go to the next one. 8 o'clock, right on dot. Pink. So green, but this is if you only want a move or two per day, keeping it super light. Here's a sell with the pink. Looks like this. 800. Take that out of there. Next day, here's the pink with the sell. 573 max. Simple. Next day. Next day. Now you can visibly just see it. So here's a pink. Here's a sell for the confirmation, even if you just did this. Down to 249. Gave you some continuation there too. If you missed that, here's the afternoon, 2 p.m., 177. That's the 19th. Next, 8 in the morning. If you took that, 39. All right, here's your sell. Told you about right there, 243. Next, here's your buy, 4 a.m., 77. Here's your sell. If you're not up at 4 a.m., which you probably aren't, 10 a.m., 29 for that. And then if you didn't take any profit there, then you got 53 here. If you didn't take any profit there, then you got 56 here. Next day, green, 146. Pink, 159. Here's your other pink one if you're early in the morning, midnight. Probably not though. It's a New York pair. Next, got a bunch of buys. Got the blue early, 6 a.m. Here's your buys to go along with it. 375. Didn't tell you anything else until all the way over here. So doing it like that is good for like the 5 minute or the 15 minute or something like that. Maybe the 1 minute if you're scalping, but not on the hour. On the hour, more so, you just want to get your direction and take your profit and go from there. Another one, another day. Next, here's your buy. You can get profit there, no worries. Here's your sell, 79. Didn't get profit there, no worries. Here's your buyback, 250. Right. And here is back and forth trying to find it. So if you were up early, you know what I mean? Pretty much breaking even until it went, which is good. Or you could be taking profit for that whole time if you're just scalping it. So here's another one, 230. Here's the sell, 150. Missed that, 73. Next. Now these are literally going off where price is. So it's not like, you know, this is really going off where price is at the time. So I'm going to rewind it so you can see what that kind of looks like as it's going. So for example, right, with this. So if I sit here and rewind it, let me actually find that, bang. I'll rewind this so that you can see what part of the candle that is letting you in, right? And over here, I have a $40 per, see that? That's where it actually came off at. So we press that and the sell, it's going right in the profit. It came in earlier than it even showed, right? That's your 1,000, 3,000, 4,000. You see the confluence here, the top-down analysis, so you can know that if there's pressure or not going on inside. Normally, we will have two windows up at the same time. And what this other window would be like the 5 minute or something, right? And with the 5 minute, it's gonna at least, tell you what's going on the lower time frame. There you go. So you'll know if that thing is pushing or not, right? Wow. There's the drop off. You see the pressure was there for the whole time. So that lets you know, hey, look, we still pushing. And of course, you will want to take profit somewhere in there for sure. All right. Saw that little green flash over here. That's a great time to take profit, especially on the 5 minute. So if you want better to take profits, then that's how you do that. You just have both windows open, and then it's telling you on the lower time frame, whether to get in or out, whether to exit. So let's go to the next one. And here's your pink. Here you go, 412. Next day. Now say like, okay, say that we're not up at freaking 6 in the morning, right? All you do again is open up this on the other side, and you got action inside of the action, right? We know we're selling at that point. Here's the sell, and here you go, right? You got action. So if we want to see it a little more clearly, it defaults coming in like this. Like here's an option to show the regular candles, but the default is to show the Hakanashi candles. Hakanashi candles. So this is what it would look like. Super smooth, no problem. And the day really starts right here for the volatility. And this is what you would see. 8:15, sell, take the profit, get out of there, back and forth, bang, we going. Guess what? Here's a buy, here's a green, there's 59 pips right there. That's inside of this overall sell thing. Here's a continuation of the sell, right? Here's your take profit. This is why I said that these pink things and green things are good for the 5 minute, because if you just took that sell, you know exactly where to get out. Let you out right there, right? On the 5, you don't take every one of these green things, but if you did on there, that's what that is. Take profit. If you didn't take profit, it's 20. Sell, right? To continue on. Here you go. So this is if you were scalping that. All this is happening inside of that, right? So you have them up side by side, and in that way, you can always have, what's going on. But if you want to be just, simple, simple, this is what you do, right? This is what you do. Here's your buy, 52. It says sell. It says it's going to sell. It sold, 40 cents of change. Pop back over. Here's your green, 130. If you didn't take profit, no worries. Popped over here. Here's your sell. Another 147, right? If you didn't take that, here's your buyback. It's on the hour over here that I'm looking at. Here's your buyback. There you go. Your confluence is right here. Here's the start of the buyback. Here's where it set it. And then you see what happened after that. For looking at this side over here. It set it right here. Here's the confluence. And there you go. So you can take it from here to here. Take profit. Wait for it to continue. It said it's going to continue. Here you go. Take profit. Right. So it's so customizable in that way. But if you really just want to keep it simple, just take these hours. Take these hours, 266 pips there, right? Here's the sell. That sell looks like this, starting from here on the 5. Got that whole thing, right? Here's another sell. right? So that's that. So this is all US 30. This is the most volatile of all of them. But as you can see, this is how you cut them up. 600 pips there, right? Here's your sell here. Now, if we go to the next pair or next indice, we're looking at NAS. So we're looking at that. Then let's go back. Let's see what it looks like for them. Here's a buy. There you go. Inside of that, it looks like this. Here's the green. Here's a buy, letting you know it's buying, and then it continued on right there. Right, here's that entry, the second entry. Here's the sell. You can see here's that pink right there. I have it tiny on this side, but here it is, letting you know either get out of this buy and see what happens next. And here's the sell that it gave. And did all of this. Here's that. Here's a take profit level. Check, check. Here's a continuation right here. Continue. Hey, pop out. See what's up if you haven't. All right, continue. Right? It just guides you for the whole time. But if you're not doing that or looking at that, you just had a sell. No problem. 256. Let's go to the 24th. Let's go to the 25th. Matter of fact, hop back out. Hop back out. Here's the 25th. This is today. Today, here's your sell. 351. And it's buying back right now. How simple is that? Right? This gives you top-down analysis from the weekly all the way down to the second on the other side. You can see exactly what's going on inside of this. So is it pushing? Yes, it is. Absolutely. Should I take profit? I don't know. Yes, you should. It just showed you, right? So now you know how it works. You know, you can just go straight down the line and see every day. Every day. Another one. Every day. Another one. Here's that. Here's the start of it over here. Right. Here's the buy start. Right. Buys. Next one. Here's the buys. So pull back, get out, take profit. Again, this is your move. 150. You don't need anything else out of that day. And you can roll the whole thing. That's the good part about it. You can ride the whole thing. Like you can ride the whole move or most of it, get most of it with confidence, you know, with plenty of confidence. And that's a crazy nice entry. Back to that. But over here is the safe one for sure. It just gave you that. Right. Here's a real move for the day. That's consolidation, and you still see moves inside of the consolidation. There you go. Can you just go off of these hours? Absolutely. And I would say just do that. Keep it nice and simple. Even if you only have this one open, that's all you see. You're profitable. No question. No question. Forex pairs. Here's gold. I don't even know what gold looks like on here, but we'll see. Here's the buy. Take the profit on the lower time frame, like I showed. Here's the sell. 300 pips. buy, sell, buy. Next day. Here's a choppy day. Sell, buy, out of there. Next. Here's your sell. Here's your buy. Next. Now the background, this is letting you know if it's an overall uptrend or downtrend. So for an uptrend, you know, these buys are probably going to go a lot longer, right? Unless it's going back to it. So this is either it's the 200. So in the background, this light blue is telling you, hey, look, we're above the 200. You know, the buys are lit right now. But sometimes, you know, it's traveling back to it, the 200. So you might catch some real decent sell entries. You see how it's pink right here, but the buy actually came off as soon as it crossed again and then started doing this thing. You see how it's in the uptrend, but the sell came back to the 200 and under it, 500 pips. So this is what you would see. And this is 500 times whatever you're risking. So this will be 500 times 40, right? And again, if we want to rewind it to see where it actually came off and what it looked like, this is minute by minute. So we go minute by minute, minute. Why is there? Towards the end of it, there's where that came off, right? So you do that, go ahead with it, and there you go. Profit made, you see it's half and half. This is 3 minutes at a time, still half and half. On the lower time frame, you can see what's happening. That's the thing. You can see what's happening here. Now going back to this, where did it say get out? This is about where we popped in at, about right here. Didn't do much, but guess what? It told us to get out right here. This is why that's important. But regardless of what, you see what's happening over here. I'm not sure how these pips work for gold, but you know, the lot sizes work for gold, but you know, that's outlandish. But regardless of what, even if it was $10 per pip, you understand. That's why the side by side is great. To let us know where to take profit on these, where to get out, where to double check, and just keeps us going in the right direction. Right. So that's that. Last thing, we'll do Forex pairs. Find one, GBP. We're just gonna fly through. Now that you know how it works, just fly through it. 15's not bad either. Not bad at all, as you can see. So let's go 24. Let's go 25. Let's get out of here. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Same day. Bye. Let you know, hey, look, hop out of there. Let you know early. There you go. Next. There you go. Sells. Here's the buyback. Letting you know early. There. Next. Here's your buy. There's your buy two. Here's your get out, sell. So Forex pairs are solid as well. And then you get these layouts as well. So you can follow everything at the same time. Super simple. US 30, NASDAQ, Euro USD. All the other ones will load up in a few. Here's what the London pairs look like, right? Clean, just everything that you need right in front of you. Here's your futures. Futures will be good probably on the 5. Make sure that the drawdown is very limited because those accounts are usually not giving you a ton of wiggle room. Now, if you're scalping, you could probably do that on like the 2 minute or so. There's plenty of moves in there. But yeah, man, that is it. So you can see what's going on, and we'll go from there. So download the app. The app is going to give you a whole course and teach you exactly how to go about it, but you just learned in this video. This is probably in the app. If you go over to setup, it's going to give you demo accounts. It's going to give you setup. It's going to give you the live account to set up. It's going to give you the information to get a prop firm, pass those challenges as well, pass futures challenges as well. And it's going to give you the indicators. It's going to give you the templates. And then over there, it's just going to have you go and claim it, claim the indicators, pay for it. That's all you're paying for monthly so that this can be. Otherwise, the charts are looking like this. Just empty. So no more naked charts. Now's the time to actually take advantage of everything that's available, right? Naked charts for what? All right, so I'll get with you guys soon, and we'll go from there.